Okay, so I was looking online at Imperial Surplus videos, and it turns out that how this is going to stick together is that this section here is where we put the Velcro spots that we have. However, up here though, this part is actually supposed to be glued together here. So I think this is just supposed to come apart like as you put your hand through, so you have a little bit of wiggle space, I suppose. But up here, yeah, it's supposed to be glued together. So we'll be taking the Velcro off. It's a good thing I bought a lot of this, otherwise I feel bad about wasting it, but okay, then we'll take off the inside one. Okay, so that's off. Okay, so set this there, and we'll go ahead and glue this together. So we'll have that one there, and we'll use one of the clamps for the end section. All right, so we'll just let that dry, and then we'll come back to the rest of this.